It's a beautiful, great day, everyone. Grabe. Para tayo nasa pugon. Init. Anyways, this is your classic rider PH, and right now nandito tayo sa Brrraaappp Speedway. And I'm here with this brand new Keeway Cafe Racer 152. Yes, I'm still recording. Kanina pa ako nag-guess. The error, buisit! Pang-apat na intro na to. Anyways, thank you so much, Sam, one of my friend. Pinahiram niya sa akin tong bike na to, and na-enjoy ko siya sobra. Let's do some quick review para sa bike na to. Mabilis lang, mabilis lang kasi marami naman ng nag-review about this bike, and so far napakaganda ng feedback or mga reviews na nagagawa ng ating mga kapwa bike enthusiast, you know. Off-road. Traffic talaga dito sa part na to, so please bear with me, guys. Siyempre kailangan natin ng magandang pwesto para sa review ng motorsiklo na to, di ba? Again, off-road. Yeah. Anyways, gusto ko lang din congrats sa lahat ng mga moto vloggers na nagpunta from the yesterday's event. Yun yung meet and greet ni Reed 4Speed or ni Reed Moto Vlog. Yeah, alam ko nagpalit siya ng pangalan. So Reed Moto Vlog na siya. It was a successful event. Yeah, maraming mga fans ang pumunta. Maraming natuwa. May mga fans na pumunta, may mga subscribers, and mga aspiring moto vloggers as well from different groups. Yeah. So ayos, diba? Masaya yung event. Mabilis. Hindi na kami tumuloy sa Marilaki, but still it's a great event. Ano siguro dito?
Keeway is a released cafe racer bike in Philippines, and they have named it Keeway Cafe Racer 152. Consists of 150cc Cafe Racer 152 engine, is air-cooled in one cylinder. It will be almost a challenge bike in Philippines considering the segment. So let's do some review for the specs of this bike. For engine, we have single cylinder with 4-stroker air cooling, 150cc displacement. Starting system, we have electric and kick. For the clutch, wet multi-plate. We have disc brake for the front and drum brake for the rear. For the bike suspension, we have telescopic sa front, twin shocks for the rear. For electrical and features, we have single round for the headlight with 12 volts battery, low fuel indicator, speedometer, trun lamp, tail lamp. For the gear, we have 5 speed, 1 down, 4 up. Top speed is 110 kilometers per hour. For the design and looks, Keeway Cafe Racer 152 is almost classic, which has classical design round headlamp. The bike is pretty small with small seating position. It has spoke wheels, which gives complete classic looks. The silencer pipe is updated, which is long. It has completely unique shape and placed mirror on the handlebar, and handlebar is lower. Overall, it seems a custom-made cafe racer bike and would be popular. Officially, Keeway Cafe Racer is 152cc, but actual displacement is 150cc. Its engine is quite powerful, though it's a small bike. Engine details will remain unknown, but would be good combination of power and torque. Air-cooled type engine is added with 4-stroke and 1 cylinder. Again, it also has a kickstarter, just like old times, but also self-starting system is also added. Overall, the looks of Keeway Cafe Racer 152 is good, though Cafe Racer type's bike would not be used for top speed, but this product of Keeway would provide reasonable speed. Its customer service is good until now. There are no major problems have been found. Keeway is a Chinese brand, yes, and so its parts are also available in the Philippines. However, the bike is comfortable for all types and all age riders, especially sa mga starting or sa mga newbie riders out there. But Keeway should keep the price of the bike within the range of mid-income people, and then it will become popular. For the price of 53,800, pwede mo nang iuwi ang Euro Keeway 152. Good choice for all the newbies out there at mga balak magsimula pa lang sa motor.
So there you go, guys. Thank you so much sa panonood. Again, don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, follow all my social media accounts. Again, for Facebook, that's facebook.com/theclassicriderph. Instagram, yeah, at theclassicriderph, and subscribe sa YouTube. It's www.youtube.com/theclassicriderph. You know. Again, salamat ulit sa pagsama sa akin. Again, this is your Classic Rider PH, and till next time, till next adventure, and till next review. Alright? Peace!